All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have a steak crunch wrap, a breakfast time favorite. That is right. This is so simple. Here's the list of ingredients, guys. I'm talking about maybe 8 ingredients at most. Super simple, easy seasonings. This is so simple. Anybody can cook it. It's a delicious dish. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, we are coming in here, laying down our steak, and we are going to go ahead and slice this up into thin strips, just like you see me doing here. Just thinly slice your steak. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be long. It can be narrow. You can switch it around however you want. Just get it chopped up here, guys. You are just looking for something like this, and you are good. All right, now to a bowl. Go ahead and crack open your eggs, guys. You want to go ahead and crack 4 eggs for this recipe. That's right, it's gonna make roughly 2 to 4 good size crunch wraps. So 4 eggs are just right. Nobody wants to not have enough egg in their wrap. Go ahead and give these a mix. Give them a good stir so they are well incorporated. Just like you see here, we're fast forwarding it a little bit. That's right. Now what you're gonna do, guys, come in with a pan, add you some olive oil. I love it. I love it. I love it. And go ahead and listen to this. Get that in there. Listen to the sizzle. Go ahead and start frying up your steak. Look at that. Once your steak has been cooking a little bit, go ahead and add you some salt, followed by some nice ground black pepper, followed by smoked paprika. That smoked paprika just adds a whole nother level. Love it. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. And then we're going to come in with some parsley. Just add it in there and give it all a good mixing. Just keep mixing. You want all of this seasoning to be incorporated. You don't have to have a sear on this steak. We are just looking for a even cook. So just let this cook down like you see here. Once it gets to be about this consistency right here, you are good to go, guys. Very important step, guys. Once you are done cooking, do not wipe your pan. Get you some butter, throw it in there. Take a utensil, whatever you can find, and start to deglaze your pan. That's right. You will see this. See how that cleans up all of that sauce? That's right. This is flavoring, guys. This is what is going to set the dish apart. That is just seasoned meat residue, and it's going to be so good in your recipe. So go ahead to this, add in some olive oil, because you are going to be mixing this all together, and this is going to provide you a new level of flavor to your eggs. Add in your eggs straight into this. Yes, it's not going to make it look pretty and be the bright yellowy eggs that we all have come to love for scrambled eggs. That's right, this is a crunch wrap, a steak crunch wrap. You want that steak flavor, so go ahead and let this scrambled eggs cook down. Mix it all together, get that incorporated flavor. Guys, you will start to see this thickening up as you are cooking, so just let this cook. Continue to stir because you don't want the eggs to burn to the bottom of the pan. Look at that. Look at these eggs. Perfect seasoned eggs. That's right. To this egg, add some cheese. You knew the cheese was coming. Add as much cheese as you want. This is about right. Put a lid on it and let it cook down. That's right. The cheese melted down. Yeah, buddy. All right. Flour tortilla time. It's time to go ahead and wrap these. Go ahead and add in some egg to the tortilla. How much egg you want? That is going to be up to you guys. As you can see, I put about 2 full spoons in here. That's going to add just right. Now come in and hit it with your steak. I love some steak, so I'm piling me up that steak, adding piece by piece. That's right. Going to hit it with the cheese. When you are frying this in your pan, it's going to melt. Add some salt and some pepper. Then you're going to go ahead and hit that with some smoked paprika. Love this stuff. Highly recommend it. All right, guys. To a skillet, heat it up. Add some oil. Start by folding in the sides. You want to make roughly like a octagon, pentagon, I don't know, whatever hectagon shape you want. You're looking for that classic crunch wrap look. Just start by squeezing in the sides, bringing everything together, and firmly press down for a few seconds. Once you transfer it to your pan, you're going to want to hold it, and put pressure down to allow that to cook a little bit so it don't come unfolded. Going to do the exact same thing to the second, the third, and the fourth. That's right. Hit it with some egg. Top it with some steak. Guys, it doesn't have to look perfect. I'm getting too picky here, trying to put all the meat just right smack dab in the center, but it doesn't have to be. Add you some more cheese. That's right. Cheese is the best. salt, pepper, smoked paprika. That's right. Some parsley if you want to. You can add any seasoning you want, guys. This is your dish. I'm just giving you a blueprint on how to make it. Go ahead and fold in the sides here. Just go ahead and tuck in all the sides, trying to make the perfect shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what you're looking for. Just tuck it all in. Tuck it over itself, one section at a time. If you overstuff it, you're gonna have a little bit of difficulty like I did here, but we're gonna make it work. Check this out. We're gonna pinch, tuck it in with the thumb, squeeze it down with the index finger, bring it all together, press it down, and hold it for a few seconds. It's gonna maintain that shape. And then you're gonna flip it over and transfer it right into your hot skillet. And same thing, press and hold so that cooks. Go ahead and plate these with some berries, bananas, and oh my God, guys, this is so good. Take a look at it. Hey, this is my dish. You're not taking it. Well, I guess you won. I want to say thank you guys for watching us here on Cooking Time with Johnny, where I bring you simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. See you all in the kitchen next time.